It's such a beautiful morning. Shall we head inside for class?
Absolutely, I can't wait. Hello, Leo.
Max loves food. Let's go on a picnic.
Yes, a picnic.
Look, Max, the sandwiches are ready. Wow, they look yummy, Leo. Are we leaving now?
Max packed cookies and cake.
That is a lot of food.
Look, Max, we're almost there.
Wow, it looks amazing, Leo. Let's go.
The park was beautiful.
Yes, look at the birds flying. They found a nice place.
Can we eat now?
First, let's play.
They played football.
Leo ran fast. Nine, 10. Ready or not, here I come. Where could Max be? I wonder if he's behind this very small tree. You'll never find me, Leo. I found you. That was funny.
It was lunchtime. They drank juice.
They ate apples.
Max ate more cake.
That is too much. A little bird came. Leo shared bread.
Max shared a cookie.
More birds came. They walked near the lake.
Look! Ducks.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They saw colorful flowers.
This is beautiful.
The sky became cloudy.
It started to rain.
Wow, look at it go!
Run. Run. That was funny. I am okay. The rain stopped. Look! A rainbow! It is beautiful! Today was fun.
We played.
We shared.
We counted.
We saw colors.
Yes, we did.
And we ate a lot.
The sun was going down. That was a fun day at school, wasn't it?
Yeah, but I'm really hungry now. Are we almost home? It was a beautiful evening.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, Max.
Max went home.
The end. See you next adventure.